Hey guys, for today's video will be different. It is entitled How to Add Captions and Subtitles to Your Amazon Prime Video while watching movies, TV shows, podcasts, or many more. So, first of all, log in to your Amazon Prime account, which is also your Amazon account. As you can see, this is also my Amazon account. So, we have here a bunch of TV shows and movies. So, maybe let's just select a movie. Let's say we play this From. So here we just click upper right side, subtitles and audio. Then here we click subtitles English and audio will be English as well. So English easy. So you can see here that there is already the subtitles unlike the other ones. So this is how you add subtitles and captions to your Amazon Prime Video. I'm sorry, the screen couldn't be shown because of for streaming reasons. You know that Amazon is pretty strict to those things. So that's it for today's video. That's how you add. It's pretty simple. Just go to the movie, right side, audio, and subtitles, and turn it on. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you learned a lot from this tutorial.